Hello friends, I'm Mishan and I'm going to teach you the 8051 simulator software called as EDSIM51. It is used to simulate the 8051 programs written in assembly language, or if you are written a program in C or C++, you can use the hex file that is generated at the output of the C++ program. And first of all, we'll see what's in this software. This is the area we can see the internal registers as well as the internal RAM of the 8051. Now registers R0 to R7 are located in this location, and you can see the internal RAM here. You can even modify the RAM from this place. You can set the simulation frequency from this place, and you can set the frequency of the system clock of the 8051 from here. It depends which kind of 8051 you're using. There are various families of 8051 and various the system frequencies come into the families, various features add into it. So this is the part where you get the internal structure of the 8051. Now this software also gives us opportunity to add various input-output devices, and we have predefined 7-segment displays, motor, a keypad, a switch bank, an ADC, and you have the transmission and receiving things, or receiving and transmission. You can do it. Select the baud rate from the UART, that's serial communication. That's to and fro, that means you can even send as well as receive. It's a CRO also is available that will show the output of the digital to analog converter on the scope. So this is a very good thing, and here you are given the knowledge about which port is connected to which thing. For example, port 0 is connected to the keypad, and port 1 is connected to the LED 7-segment display, and port 2.7 is connected to the port 2 is connected to the switch bank, and port 3 is connected to motor, ADC, and you can even select which 7-segment LED you use using this port 3. By default this LED is selected. Now I will click on new to have a new program. I will first start with a basic program, and then I will give a program that helps you to actuate the LEDs. So org, there is a basic program list given in the website of this software. I'll give a link to that. Also this software is Java based, so you need a Java runtime environment installed on your PC. So if you don't have it, you can install it. I have given the link to Java runtime environment also in the information given with video. So org00h, this is assembly language, and move a comma 20h, move data of 20h into accumulator, and the next command will be move R1 comma A. So I'll copy the contents of accumulator to the register R1, and the next command of mine would be move 20h comma R1. Now I'll move the contents of R1 register to a data location that is 20h in the internal RAM. That's here 20, and that's 0, so 20h might be here. So first of all, I'll end the software, ending the command, and now I'll reset it. So it's reset, and now I save it by the name test.asm. saved. It says already exists. I say yes, I'll write it and reset it. Everything is reset. Now I will actually assemble the source code using this assembler, and click on it. No errors. Step. So we'll go step by step. We have two options: either to go step by step using this, or to run in continuous flow. So because we have very less commands, we can do step by step. We have time. First step, we'll move A. We'll move data of 20h to A, and look, 20h has been written in A. The 0 cross 20 means data of 20H hexadecimal. Hexadecimal is noted in this format, remember my friends. So next I'll move the contents of R1 to A, and this is done, this is executed. So R1, which is located here, is 20. Even you can see it from here, so both locations are R1. Actually this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 0 to 7 are the registers, you can also see them here. Now I'll put step to do the last step is move 20H R1, that means copy the contents of R1 to 20H. so this is done, it's 20, it's copied. If you want you can change the values, all I have to do is actually reset it. It's activated, I can change the value to 30 and I change it to I'll change it to 22. So now I'll assemble it, no errors, step by step. A30 R1A, so R1 will also be 30, here also 30, and the next thing is 22H into R1. so actually no, sorry, R1 into 22H, so I'll copy the value of R1 into the address in the internal RAM, that's 22H, and that is here 22 20 and 22 30. So this is the thing. The main error in this program is that although I have changed my program, but the values of the previous program are still being showed. The 20H, the value from the previous program is still there, so you have to load the program all over again to start from a new thing, otherwise the old values will be stored, and that may or may not cause an error. So let's now do something with the LED part. So I'll do new, say no, org h. So LEDs are at the port 1, and by default this LED is activated. I can change it also, but in the later videos I'll teach you how to use LEDs and motors. Till then let's start with the LED number 3, segment number 3, and nothing. If you have to activate any LED, I have to just clear the bit instead of putting 1 or setting the bit. I have to clear the bit. This is something opposite in the software. For example, if I have to activate the LED at P1.0, I have to clear the bit. So I'll put CLR clear P1.0. So doing something more clear, P1.1 clear, anything, P1.3. so this is something example, and end the program, just finish it. Assembler, no errors. Step 1, LED is clone. Step 2, another LED is clone, and step 3, third LED is clone. So you can try the combination of various things, you can program yourself, and the next videos we will learn how to use the keypad, the switches, motor, etc, etc, etc. Till then I'm signing off. Thank you.